Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an outline button with an icon in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _my home page state. This is _my home page state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the center widget. Inside the center widget, we have our outline button. This is the outline.icon button widget. Here we set the button style, where we include the padding, text style, shape, borders, etc. Here we set the on-pressed and on-long pressed events of the button. When these events occur, we show a log. And finally, we set a text and icon on the button. Let's run the app. So this is our outline button with an icon. So that's it. That's how you can implement an outline button with an icon in Flutter Android. Thank you.